Mark, it's always good to see you. We've visited A&M EDM a number of times. Now, you are Sodick's largest user of machines in Europe now, I understand.
Yes,
So,
we are, yeah.
with that in mind, we're seeing one of their newest machines in the UK, this three-axis machining centre. Now, you've just purchased one of these, but tell us why.
It's because of the accuracy. When it's understanding when you're machining to a micron what you need to do to machine to a micron, and you're not going to do it on any ordinary three-axis machine. It's the accuracy of the machine and what it produces, and understanding what you need to get a surface finish, such as what the part that I'm holding in my hand, and you're not going to do it on normal milling machines.
Tell me what that material is, because it doesn't look standard to me.
No, this is Stavax, and it's 52 to 54 Rockwell, so it's a fairly hard material, and that's what you can see. That hasn't been hand polished. That's come straight off the machine. So that's what you're looking for, is parts that come off the machine that not been touched by the human hand.
Most people that know A&M, and certainly I've seen some of the products in-house, is that you're high precision, you're into areas like the space sectors, aerospace, motorsport to a certain extent.
Yeah.
Why go down this path, and why invest more money with Sodick?
Because the products that we're doing, it's to get the products off quicker and more accurate. And that's why Sodick, and Sodick's always been renowned for the quality, the surface finish of what they do. That's why we bought the wire cuts and the spot sinkers, is because it's fine Sodick, it achieves a better surface finish, and that's what you're looking for, is to improve the product all the time. Not just improve the product, but get it done in a quicker time, because that's what your customers are looking for. They're looking for cost down all the time, but still achieving the same quality. And quality, as you know, always comes at a price.
Well, there is that, and I think when you look at the facility that you've got on some of the components, the tolerances that you're working in is very, very, very tight, isn't it?
Yeah, it is, and it's understanding what a micron is, because a lot of people talk about 1 micron. Do they understand what it means? Because by me holding this part at the moment, this is changing in size. So if I say to somebody you can work to 5 microns, then it's achievable. But when somebody's got to work to 1 micron, it's very, very difficult to achieve.
Now, there is a lot of machining centre manufacturers out there, and Sodick are probably very well known, mainly in the UK, they say, and Europe for EDM solutions. But why did you buy the machining centre from them?
Because of the technology and the high-speed machining. Not many people knew that Sodick did high-speed machining. I've been fortunate to go to Japan and see the machines being built and the technology that they've got over there, and it's only now that it's been released to Europe and to America, and the technology is second to none.
And from your point of view, and the last question from me, is that with this wonderful HQ in Warwickshire now, how does that benefit A&M?
It's on our doorstep, and you're not going to get a better facility, are you? I think, like most people, I'd be jealous of seeing a facility like this. This is what manufacturing's about. It's also showing the kids of today, it's not just where I've grown up in sweatshops and dirty shops. Everything's clean, and it's like you can eat off the floor today, and that's what it's about. It's about a clean environment and looking at the products that you can manufacture. And if I tell young kids coming into the industry, it's flying cars, flying bikes, parts that go to the bottom of the ocean that scan pipes, and parts that go to Mars. So these are the things that you're doing in manufacturing. Okay, you might not see the end product, but look at the parts that you're making, think about where it's going, and it's about everyday products that you read about, and you're thinking, wow, that's future technology that you're doing today on the type of machines that we've got.
Well, your company is a great UK success story, and obviously being Sodick's largest customer in Europe, I'm sure they're looking after you. Thanks very much, Mark.
Thank you.